Hello everyone, my name is Nikada Ayu Apriyani. I am from class 11A. Happy birthday Samantha. Today we're celebrating a very special day, the birthday of our beloved school Samantha. I am honored to stand here and share some words of motivation at clarity. I wish clarity and together years of excellence at good. Let's remember that our school is not just a place of learning but home where we groom, explore, and discover our passion. Let's strive to the best versions of our relevance and make our school proud. To my fellow students, let's see the memoirs we create here and towards church. Thank you to our teacher of guiding us with wisdom and petition, and to Samantha, happy birthday. May continue to be a beacon of light and cheer. Thank you.